Hello friends! Nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to braised preserved duck leg with potatoes. This dish is savory and goes well with rice. It's so delicious. It is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Ingredients are potatoes, preserved duck leg and ginger, chopped ginger, cubes potatoes, oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 2 tablespoons hot water and stir well. Add chopped ginger and Shaoxing wine to the water and bring to a boil. Stir-fry chopped garlic, add potatoes cubes, preserved duck leg, add seasoning sauce, pour half bowl hot water and cook until potatoes cooked. One teaspoon Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce to add color. potatoes is cooked and sauce has reduced. Plain potatoes braised preserved duck leg. Optional to chop preserved duck leg into small pieces before stir fry or after cooked. I think it's easier to cut after cooked. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe, Chinese. Version will be available at 12 noon every day while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. Potatoes contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They're rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. Potatoes were a life-saving food source in early times because the vitamin C prevented scurvy. Of rice, pasta, potatoes, and bread, potatoes are the healthiest of these starchy and complex carbohydrate foods. This is because potatoes are dense in nutrients, containing essential minerals, vitamins, and other micronutrients. Potatoes are also high in fiber, helping to satiate hunger and regulate blood sugar. Along with the boost of carbohydrates that potatoes provide. Each serving fuels your body with soluble fiber, a nutrient that can reduce the absorption of cholesterol into your bloodstream. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.